I think, pellet stove controller. It's from a Breckwell stove. I'm about to turn it on here. It's connected to my test fixture. And as I turn it on, I'll flick the switch. And we'll see a couple things happen. One is the convection fan comes on and the combustion fan come on. And I can press the auger, the up button for the auger, and we'll see that the auger comes on. And that makes the motor spin and drop some pellets manually. And the other thing is, if I go to, I'm in low mode right here, so if I press it downwards on the feed switch, I'll get intensity increase over on this light. There it is. So that switch works. The auger light comes on and the intensity comes on. So I'll go ahead and press the button to put it into automatic mode. And there we have the green light on, and in 30 seconds or so, we'll see the auger start cycling. So we've put on a new indicator, repaired the solid state relay, and we'll see the auger start cycling pretty soon here. And when it does, both the auger motor light indicator will come on, and so will the indicator on the circuit board. So let's keep an eye out for that shortly. There it is. So depending on the speed we've selected for the auger motor and time, the auger will spin faster. Well, not the auger will spin faster, it'll spin more often and dropping more pellets into the stove. So from what I can see here, everything is functionally normal and it's ready to return to Mitch. Thank you.